One wrong word and Facebook will ban or demonetize your account. If you're an admin or a moderator of a Facebook group, please move closer because this is a powerful thing you need to know. Do you know that there are some certain words someone shouldn't say on your Facebook group, on your comments, or under your post? Because some of these words are against Facebook policies, and as an admin or moderator, you need to prevent this from happening so all your efforts don't go to waste. Open your Facebook page or Facebook app. Click on menu, click on your group, click manage, click moderator alert, click edit alert, click on keywords. Now go ahead and add keywords or phrases you don't want to see or you want to track. Things like scam, payment, urgent, DM, anything, any keyword you don't want to see at all in your group, enter it here. Once you set this up, Facebook will notify you when a member uses those words. It will help you to keep your page safe from scammers trying to scam your audience and also prevent Facebook from banning your account or page. Want to see more useful content like this? Follow me, share, drop your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.